Hey, as you can see, I've got some good news. I faced the Facebook login issues in 2021 and 2020 that I've had. And there's a very simple fix on any iPhone and on any Android device. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you watch it all the way until the end. Like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out there. And also comment down below which country are you watching this video from. There's a few fixes and I'll show you how they work. The first one is very simple. Just make sure you have your cellular data on you, that you are not on airplane mode. It's very simple, but a lot of people mess this up. You want to go on settings, make sure there's no airplane mode on, and when you click on mobile data or cellular data, you want to make sure that it's on for you. If you are on roaming, you want to make sure roaming is on. Also, one thing you can do is go down to the Facebook app, and just making sure cellular data here is on, background refresh is on. So that's the first thing you want to do. The next thing is you want to make sure that you're on version 310.0.0.52.127 or a higher one. If not, you want to go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and just update the app because they have a fix for these issues with the latest versions. You want to go on, click on search, type in Facebook, and if you have an update option right there, you want to update the app so you can have an open option. Another thing you can do is just go over to your settings on your iPhone. On an Android device, you'll click on apps, iPhone general, then head over to iPhone storage right here. And from there, you want to select Facebook. When it loads, give it a few minutes. And now let's find it. Should be somewhere around here, obviously. You can also search for it at the top if you can't find it, just like I can't right now. So just search for Facebook. Here it is. You want to offload the app. This will basically reset all your basic settings. That works for a lot of people. If none of this works, what you can actually do is just wait for a patch or submit a ticket to Facebook to fix it ASAP. And if this video helped you out, you can help me out by giving me a like, because each like gets me a few more views. You can also subscribe because we're releasing hundreds of videos just like this for your value every single week. And I want to see you in one of the next videos.